All right, so today we're gonna bring a video about, is it worth painting stuff in color on your with your filament, your AMS on your bamboo labs? Well, I'm here to answer some of the stuff and some of the questions, right, that I had problems with in the past and I had fixes for it. Now, here we have two different faces for Spider-Man, all right? Now, one's a solid color, I mean, you guys can see, completely solid. The other one, it has color. Now, big difference on this one. This one took about 30 minutes to print. This one actually took 17 hours to print. And the number of poop just to do the actual webbing, incredible. Now, on top of it, it actually shifted. If you guys can see, they didn't even print right on it. It shifted. And I don't know what happened on the system. It shifted on maybe changing out or something. Cold weather was probably a factor too. It could be a number of things, but this is a 17-hour print. Now, if you have an area that you're willing to wait 17 hours, that's fine. But the detail on it is not, it's not very neat to be done. I mean, it's not, it's not in my level, to be honest with you. It's not something I would love to actually use for a statue. I mean, from far away, it looks pretty good, you know? It looks pretty good from far away. But as close as you get the level of detail is just the stringy area. It's a little bit off on some of the areas, you know. It came out good on the face, on the actual eyes. I was very impressed with it. But then around it, it looks like it was just like a sewing machine that did some of the work in there, you know. And then I think it's better if you just print something in this format and just paint it yourself. I mean, you're looking at a 10% fraction of what this is, or maybe even less than that, you know, like a 2 or 3%, I would say, for 17 hours, taking a chance that it might fail or something you might like. So on this one, they both came out pretty good. They have the same kind of issues on the stringy part, on the chin part. You can see it actually more on this one, but it's nothing different. They all came out the same. Even with the actual color change, it came out pretty good on the bottom part. They both came out exactly with the same supports and so forth. But like I said, you're taking a chance of failing down the line, of shifting. I mean, every time it changes color, and this was changing every couple seconds, the color, because of the number of details that we have in here. So if you're ever gonna do something like that, or you thought about something, you might want to skip something like that and just go straight to the actual print itself. You know, your choice. Hope you guys enjoy the video.